Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna... I've never been on that black and white tile down there. Let's see if that looks like you can go down this way. Huh. I just never kind of want to go down that way. And I want to go down this way too. We're strangely in a spot I've never been before. That's the fortress right up that way. There's canyons up on top, and that goes up to the lighthouse. And I have never been on this little thing right here. I kind of came across in the most accidental way. Huh. There's a black and white tile straight down that way. I don't know if I know that one either. It looks like it goes down that way, and there's some music. So I don't know. I kind of want to... I saw an elevator. I'm not sure how we were gonna do this. But anyways, that is the lighthouse up that way, which you can't see at this angle. But we're going to, I think what we're gonna do is go down this elevator, go down, see what that's all about, follow it, and then hopefully this one goes somewhere. I think it's gonna come back up to the lighthouse, and then we can end up there. It's kind of the plan, I think. Let's try it out. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're kind of up on a rooftop. We're not a rooftop, but on Launch Fortress is up there, and there's a lot to show you. But we're gonna come into this little museum right here. There's a street called Shanghai Avenida, I think, Avenue. There's a map. Perla de Mar. Perla de Mar. Oh, that's called, so this is the terrace, the Miradora. Museum. So there's actually it's pretty cool. This street you can meander down. It's called like Artilheiros Street. There's Grand Lisboa Casino right over there. And then this is basically called the Fortress Corridor. And up there is the fortress. And I guess this is also part of the fortress here too. I was gonna go down, but maybe now I'll go this way because I haven't walked on this one before either. And I've been here for 10 years. And I feel like I've been everywhere. And then I realized that sometimes I haven't. I didn't know about this path. I didn't know that you could come up here quite like this. So up there is a lighthouse. Sorry, I keep saying lighthouse. It's not a lighthouse, that's the fortress. So that has a long history because it would overlook. The biggest one is the lighthouse, which is, but this is just a big fortress. And I think what we can do is go back down this way. There we go. So now we can go down in this kind of way. So we'll see what we can see. Okay, so we're gonna... I've never been on that black and white tile down there. Let's see if this goes there. There's a good shot of the fortress. You can see all the people up there. And we'll go down. I don't even know what to call this street. We'll see. Looks like you can go down this way. Huh. I just never kind of want to go down that way. And I want to go down this way too. So, it goes down, there's like a little path right down that way, and it has black and white tiles as well. And it goes behind this yellow building right here, which I'm just not really sure what it is. And these buildings go right up on this mountain pass. Interesting. Well, I guess I should follow this to some kind of conclusion. And so I think what I'll have to do is follow this black and white, because we saw this from lots of different angles. And then I'll probably have to walk back up this hill and go down the other one, perhaps, maybe. There's even like fruits and such in here. A few of them. Huh. Is this, is that part of the museum? There's a museum that you can go up to the top of the fortress. Look how big these windows are. Yeah, this is actually open. Okay. It's a Fortaleza, so you can take the elevator. And there's actually... So that elevator is where we started at, so we could have came that elevator before. Check that out. And now we're overlooking this, I think I can actually go around this building, identify the street, and then try to go around this yellow building, and then we'll come back up again. And in the strangest way possible, we'll label this with that particular street, then kind of come to some kind of full conclusion here. And once I have a street, then I can label it with a map, then you can get an idea of where we are exactly. Okay, so this is actually, okay. This is actually called Travessa dos Artilheiros. And let's give you a little context where we are exactly, it's just so people know. I guess we did kind of start at the Caminho dos Artilheiros. So we basically started up on that spot, up that way. And that goes down to Lazarus. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go down. I'm gonna go up this street over here and then just see what that's called. Love that balcony. So we came up that way right there, and we are gonna go around the corner. Let's see what this street is called. So this street, this is the yellow building that we saw from up above. And I don't see a street name for it yet. It's a nice courtyard over there though. So I think we came up right over here. And there's all kind of Artilheiros references. So we came up that way right there. Or we came from up there. And then we have all these little Artilheiros streets. And that's I just want to see what this yellow building is too, and see if we can see a street sign here. It's so strange. Let me just kind of go down a little bit further. Let's see. Huh. So we basically came up that way from up there. And I'm not sure what to call this street. It's kind of a it's kind of like Artilheiros, I believe. Let's see what this street is. So this is actually called Rua dos Artilheiros. So I guess that'll be our target street. Just to give you some reference, Sao Paulo Ruins is directly down that way. Yeah, we just came up that street basically. And I think Artilheiros would be a good street name of this street, because we did kind of explore a lot of different stuff. And now we're on this kind of in the backside of Sao Paulo Ruins. Okay, let's end it right there. Kind of interesting. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.